Murakkab is from the word rakiba. Everybody say rakiba. Rakiba means to ride something. Okay? Rakiba means? No, give me a whole sentence. Right, if I say the word again. You need to say the word again for your own benefit. Okay? Rakiba means to ride something. Okay, murakkab with a fatha. Okay, first let's go through this word. Mu, what does mu mean in front of a word? You're making soft already. One who what? Possesses the qualities of the word. So mu means one who possesses the qualities that the word that comes behind it. Give me an example. Muslim. Give me another one. Munafiq. Someone who possesses the qualities of nifaq. Someone who possesses the qualities of what? Islam. For the Muslim. So this word, this love, this sound that you what? The sound that you spit off your tongue is murakkab. It is one who possesses the qualities of rakaba. But it's not rakiba, it's rakkaba. Say rakkaba. The shadda. Everybody go like this. Shadda. That's exactly what it is. It strengthens the word. That's what it is. This little thing that they call a W, it's actually a sheen. It's actually the sheen that's got the tail cut off and then the dots have been removed. The sheen, however, represents the word shidda. Okay? And that's what that means every time you see it. Do you understand me? Every time you see this word, and shadda means to strengthen. Shadidul iqab, Allah, shadidul iqab, severe and swift and firm. Shidda is again, tighten your fist. Shidda. That's what you have right there. That strengthening of your hand. It means here, murakkab is to double something. So it doubles the meaning. I'll give you an example. Alima, say alima. It means to know. Or it means he knew. Say that. He knew. Now if I strengthen this word and I say allama, say it. Allama. I strengthened the meaning. So I've said it means he knew. What does it mean now? How do you strengthen that? No, he didn't know for sure. He made known. He made known. So since we call it a mu, what do we say it? Mu'allim. What is a mu'allim? Mu'allim is the person who... He's the teacher. He's the one that makes it known. Okay? So this is how you strengthen a word. With that shadda, it strengthens the meaning. So it's with a fatha here, murakkab. It is a sound that you spit off your tongue that possesses the quality of riding. It's being rid. It's being ridden upon. What does it mean? It's meaning two sounds or more. What does it mean? Two sounds or more. Two, yani kalimatani fa akthar. Two words or more. Two words. That's right. So one word in and of itself does not possess a meaning. Okay, you need at least two words. Sometimes that second word is, now we're going to get to another technical meaning. Speech is of two types. How types is it? Two types. Literal and we call, what is it? Figurative. The taqdeer al-kalam is the implied. Speech is literal and implied. What type of speech is what? Literal and implied. I'll give you an example of literal speech. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes. Now, can you hear me? Just say yes. Yes. What did you say to me? You said in the literal speech, yes, I can hear you. But in the implied speech, you just said yes. What is the implied speech? I can hear you. Or we can hear you. Do you understand that? So if I say get up, do I have to say you? No. It's implied. It's understood. So that's why we say sometimes in implied speech, it won't be written down. But it'll be the sukut al-mafhum, the silent understanding of that speech will be there. So erase this right here. So that lafdun is murakkab. That lafdun is a sound you spit off your tongue. No, just this bottom part, all this stuff right here. It's a sound that's compounded with two words or more. Okay? Two words or? Yes, also, that also. Now, this lafdun that's murakkab is also mufid. Mufid. What does mufid mean? Beneficial. What does it mean, beneficial, as a technical term? That the listener what? The listener's not waiting to hear more. So let me give you some lafdun murakkab that is not mufid. If the imam comes, what did I say? I said lafdun, right? It was on my tongue. It was murakkab, 2 words or more. But was it beneficial? No. Why not? Because we're waiting for more. Because the listener is still waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. If the imam comes, everybody's still waiting. If the imam comes and then he walks up the stairs and then he goes in there and he makes wudu and he calls the adhan and then he stands over here, is that lafdun? Yes. Is it murakkab? Yes. Meaning 2 words or more? Yes. But is it mufid? No. I said a whole lot of nothing. Yes. So mufid is what? Beneficial. How is it benefiting? It doesn't leave how is everybody here should know that? It doesn't leave the listener wanting more. The mufid means beneficial. Beneficial with regards to speech means that the listener is not waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. What does beneficial mean? It means that the listener is not waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. The listener, say it again. The listener is not waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. If the imam comes, we pray. Is that lafdun? Yes. Is it murakkab? Yes. 2 words or more? Yes. Is it mufid? Yes. Thank you. Now that's not it. We're not done yet. It said qad wudi. Say that. Qad corresponds directly to the word already in the English language. Qad corresponds directly to the word already in the English language. Qad corresponds directly to the word already in the English language. Okay, so qad corresponds directly to the word already in the English language. Qad wudi, that before all of this, because it said already, before all of this, it is wudi. What is wudi? Wudi has 2 meanings. Literally, it means placed. Okay? Literally, it means placed. You place something down. As a terminology, it has 2 meanings that do not oppose each other. The first one means intended. Intended or qasd. It's intended. What that mean? Intended. Because Allah's Messenger alayhi salatu wasalam, he said that the pen is lifted up from the sleeper. Anam, this person. So if someone is sleeping and he says, oh, if the imam comes, then we pray. That speech is beneficial, but it's not wudi. He didn't intend that. So we don't consider that speech. Do you understand that? The other one is that it is an accordance in accordance to the rules of Arabic grammar. What are these 2 things? In accordance to the rules of Arabic grammar. So if I speak in Bengali, is it speech? According to us? No. If I speak in English, is it speech? No. If I speak in Swahili, is it speech? No. If I speak in Olaf, is it speech? No. If I speak in Fulla, is it speak? No. Is it speech? No. It's only speech is if we talk in Arabic, according to the people of grammar, because that's what we're referring to here. Okay? Placed and put grammatically in Arabic's own form. That's what it is. So the speech has to be placed and put grammatically in Arabic's own form, and it has to be intended. So, lafdun murakkabun mufidun qad wudi' means a sound. What type of sound is it? It's a sound that you spit off the tongue. What type of sound is it? The sound that you spit off the tongue. That is murakkab. What is murakkab? Murakkab is 2 words. Easy. 2 words or more, right? And he said yes. So those 2 words could be intended and literal or implied, right? Yes. Okay. So mufidun, what does mufid mean? What does that mean? It means that the listener is not waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. Right. So the listener is not waiting for more to understand the objective of the speaker. And what does qad wudi' mean? Intended. It's already qad. Already placed and put grammatically in Arabic's own form, and it's intended. There has to be an intention. لا عمل بدون نية. There's no action without an intention. Where's the mu'adhin? You're going to call the adhan? أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم. Don't go too far after the salah. We'll start the next class.